Muthoni Wakirumba Baby Top uria ukurehagira tabarira yendetwo muno na ngumo muno ya Kameme FM every Monday to Friday canjamuka ciahanda thaa 4 alongside Muthee Kihenju niarakorirwo agitiga andu magegete na kuonia Joy wa Macharia rukungu. Joy wa Macharia niakoragwo mwena wa Coro FM, ni mutangathi wa Coro FM na oho no muini wi ngumo muno wa nyimbo cia mugithi. Niakorirwo akihitire akorirwo akirekereria rwimbo rwa Kieya na riu niarakorirwo aking'ethanira na Muthoni Wakirumba, na thutha ucio Muthoni Wakirumba araikorwo akimuonia rukungu. Na to Joy wa Macharia tu, ona nginya Nyoxx wa Katta wa Inoro FM uria nake akurehagira tabarira ya kiroko alongside Jeff Kuria, onake Danielisha, onake Muthoni Wakirumba no arakorirwo akimuiga kando. Na Muthoni Wakirumba ni arakorirwo aking'ethanira na all Kikuyu female radio presenters, na guku ni ngerenwa-ini cia Shabik Awards by Maono Lands Limited, na Muthoni Wakirumba arakorwo akiyukia uhotani munene muno, na therefore arakorwo akiiga Joy wa Macharia na nginya mzima na Nyoxx wa Katta. All other Kikuyu female presenters aramaiga kando othe na emerge as the best female radio presenter in the Kikuyu radios in the year 2022. Mwaka ucio turaumire, Muthoni Wakirumba arakorwo akiyukia uhotani as the best female presenter of the year 2022, na macambiki nio marakorirwo magiikia kura ici, mana marakorwo magicagura Muthoni Wakirumba as the best female presenter, makiuga uyu niwe umacanjamuraga muno among all Kikuyu female radio presenters. Na Muthoni Wakirumba onake arakorwo akiyukia uhotani na ikeno kinene muno na gucokeria mafans ake othe ngatho cia mwanya ni kumuonia wendo uyu wa mwanya, na oho gukorwo makirecognize wira wake, na oho kumutuga na ngerenwa ino as the best female presenter of the year in the Shabik Awards by Maono Lands Limited. Na uyu ndu no huthu na ramacokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno, na andu angi marakorirwo makihotanira uhotani uyu in different categories ni a DJ Dibul uria arayukirie uhotani wa best DJ of the year, na onake arakorwo wa kugegio muno ni wendo wa mafans ake na aramacokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno. Na ona nginya Joy Janet onake niarakorirwo agicagurwo as the best upcoming female gospel singer of the year 2022, na onake arakorwo agicokeria mafans ake ngatho cia mwanya muno akiuga there could have been any other artist who could have bagged the award, no marona ke niwe marenda akorwo akiyukia uhotani ona arakimira thank you. Ona nginya Ndegenye Muthee Ndegenye after the entire scandal and fiasco with DJ Sony niarakorirwo akiyukia uhotani uyu as the youngest MC of the year 2022, more wins for him, na kauga ni thank you onake. Na Muthoni Wakirumba, congratulations to her, ona nginya DJ Dibul, Muthee Ndegenye, Joy Janet and everyone else who bagged an award in the Shabik Awards under Maono Lands Limited. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.